President Trump has signed his first immigration bill. Yes, we're talking here about the Laken-Riley Act. Now, what's in the Laken-Riley Act? That's a bill that has been named after the nursing student, Laken Riley, who lost her life in the hand of an immigrant from Venezuela. Now under this law, things have changed dramatically. Any person that has been suspected of actually theft, and here we're talking about an amount over $100, will be subject to mandatory detention. That's a huge departure from previous immigration bill, where will actually be requiring detention for crimes that are considered aggravated, and then obviously that will lead to mandatory detention if you had been convicted, and of course if you have been also sentenced to more than 365 days. Here, this is not what this is. Now, it requires the Immigration and Customs Enforcement then to just detain such people. Meaning here we're talking about shoplifting, we're talking any crime against property. Then under this particular law, that will be actually mandatory detention. Now, the state attorney also have the right to sue the federal government to have immigrants detained. This is a huge departure. You have to remember that immigration is actually the purview of the federal government, but under the Laken-Riley Act, this is actually what the conservative state wanted, and this is now the law of the land. And now the state official also, here again, moving from the federal government, can actually ask the State Department to stop issuing visa from countries that don't accept people to being deported. Meaning that, again, a way to force, all of these other, obviously, country, to actually cooperate in accepting their citizens, back home. If now they do not cooperate and they do not accept their own citizen, then the retaliation will be swift, and the state official can actually ask the federal government, they ask the State Department to stop issuing visa, to citizens of this particular country. As you can see, it's a lot of things that are happening now. Obviously, there is a memo that has been issued as how to apply the Laken-Riley Act. Obviously, there is a lot of criticism because it won't be easy to actually implement, because it requires a lot of resources as far as manpower. The funding has not been voted by Congress, as far as detention as well. A lot of things that will need to be resolved in order to see how it will be applied in real life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow this page for more immigration news and updates. Bye.